Didn't get ahead of myself and not get too excited, and I managed to do that and just kept making birdies.
What was the best part of your game, or the key for making so many birdies?
See, my iron play was really good. I hit a lot of kind of iron shots really close. I converted them, I putted really well, so kind of struggled a little bit with my longer game, but my mid and short irons are really good, so it meant I made a lot of birdies.
What would you think would be the best part of your game today? The best shots, the best the front nine, back three, or?
Yeah, I mean the back nine made a very good par on 16. I hit it in the right trees there, made a good par, and then good up and down on 17 for par, which kept me one ahead. And then last hole slightly laid up, and then hit a sand wedge to about a foot, so that kind of sealed it. So finished really well. I was happy with.
Did you expect this finish?
No, I mean I knew I could do it, but I didn't expect it. I just kind of went out and tried to do my best, and whatever happens, happens. Luckily I played well and won.
Is this your first year on the Alps Tour?
Yeah.
How old are you?
24. Yeah, did the Q school in November, and then this is my first event.
And you didn't play the challenge, or?
No, I've played a couple of tournaments. I got invited into a few challenger events, but I haven't got any ranking or anything.
No. Okay, so this is a great start of the season.
Yeah, very good.
Ahora, ¿quieres que los diga ahí?
Did you feel the pressure in the 17th green with Alfredo making the birdie?
Yeah, I mean, before that I hadn't realised what the scores were at, and he held that putt on 16 and hit a great shot on 17, so I thought it must be getting tight. So I had a look at the leaderboard and saw that I was only one ahead, so I knew that up and down was very important, and I was, that 17th hole was hard enough without, he hit a 3-wood or whatever to about 10 feet right before me, so it made it even harder, but I just had to concentrate on what I was doing and managed to hit a good shot and get them down.
Is this your first time in Spain?
No, I've been here quite a few times. I played the Spanish Amateur a few times, and been on holiday here a few times.
Have you done anything special as an amateur here in Spain?
Don't think. England team won the Nations Cup last year at Soto Grande.
And you were there?
Yeah, I played in that. I think I finished 4th individually, but the team won. That's about all, I think.
Perfect. Do you mind if we go through the score?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, what did you... Hole number 2. We go through the birdies and bogeys.
Okay.